Hi, I'm Dion from mathsvideos.com. Now, parts of this question here, well, A and B of part 1 are actually very easy. What we have to do here, we have to remember first of all that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. And manipulating that equation will give us the Cartesian equation of this circle. So we'll start off here on the left hand side with x. So we'll subtract 2 from both sides. So that implies that x minus 2 is equal to 3 sine theta. And that implies x minus 2 all over 3 is equal to sine theta. On the right hand side we do the same, we just divide both sides by 3. So that implies that y over 3 is equal to cosine of theta. So what we do here is we square both sides here. So if we square this we get sine squared, and then we turn it equates to sine squared, and similar for the right hand side. So if we square this here we get sine squared, which is x minus 2 all to be squared all over 9, plus cos squared, which is y squared over 9, is equal to 1. That's what trigonometry tells us. So what we want to do here, we want to get rid of the denominator, so we multiply every term by 9. So that implies that x minus 2 all to be squared plus y squared is equal to 9. And that's the equation of the circle with center 2, comma 0 and a radius of 9. So that's very straightforward. On to the next part of the question here. We're asked to find the equation of a circle with these 3 points. There's a few different ways you can do this. The first way is you can manipulate it to find the orthocenter, or I'm not too sure what it's called, about 3 points. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write down the general equation of a circle, and then I'm going to fill in these values into that, and I'm going to use simultaneous equations to solve for g, f and c. So just the general equation of a circle there, we should all know this: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now what we want to do is we want to just fill in 0,3 is x and y, 2,1 is x and y, 6,5 is x and y, and just do that a few times, and it'll be messy enough, but we'll eventually get the answer. So starting off at 0,3, remember all our x's pretty much like just disappear here, so I'll write down that is 9 plus 2fy, which is 6y, plus c is equal to 0. So I'll write that down and call that equation number 1. Now on to our 2, 1. So we have 2 squared is equal to 4, plus 1 squared is equal to 1, plus 2gx, which is plus 4g, plus 2fy, which is plus 2f, plus c is equal to 0. We just want to get rid of these two terms here and just write it in terms of gfc, then our variable, our number. So that's 4g plus 2f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0, and we call that equation number 2. Now on to our next part here, is 6, 5. At 6, 5, so we'll fill these values in. That is equal to 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. I'm going to rearrange that to make it look like the other equations. So that is 12g plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. We call that equation number 3. Now make sure when you're doing this question just to highlight them all and write them all in different colours and stuff like that, and make sure you space it out well, because the easiest way to not get right in a simultaneous equation question is just to leave it very untidy. So what we have here in equation number 1, we just manipulate that. 9 plus 6g. Or 6f, sorry, that's g and f. Right. So we just manipulate that. So c is equal to negative 6f, subtract 9. Negative 6f, subtract 9. So what we want to do here, we want to fill that value in. So we fill it in here in equation number 2. So then, at equation number 2, we have 4g plus 2f plus c, which is minus 6f minus 9 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, we'll just rearrange that. We'd say 4g plus 2f, 4g subtract 4f, and subtract 4 is equal to 0. Now what we'll do here, we'll just divide across by 4, so that implies g minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies g is equal to f plus 1. Nearly there. So if g is equal to f plus 1, we will fill that in equation number 3. So, on equation number 3, g is equal to f plus 1. So 12 times g, which is f plus 1, plus 10 times f, plus c, which is negative 6f, negative 9. Sorry, negative 6f, negative 9, and I'm working with equation 3 here, and that's plus 61 is equal to 0. So then we just multiply all this out as messy as it's going to be. So that's 12f plus 12 plus 10f minus 6f plus 52 is equal to 0. And we just got our f terms here, f's, f's, and f's. And that works out at 22 minus 6 is 16f. And then our non-f terms are 52 and 12, which is 64. So that's equal to negative 64. And that implies f is equal to negative 4. We have a value for f class. So f equal to negative 4. Now at f equal to negative 4, g is equal to f plus 1. So g is equal to f plus 1, which is negative 4 plus 1. That implies g is equal to negative 3. Now we have an equation for c on its own here. C will be equal to negative 6x, f negative 9. Negative 9. And we have f negative 4, so c is equal to 24 minus 9, which is equal to 25, which is a very nice number. You know when you start seeing numbers like this to get it right. So then our general equation of a circle, we have g is equal to negative 3, f is equal to negative 4. So, x squared plus y squared plus 2gf. Well, that means negative 6x plus 2fy, and that is negative 8y minus 25 is equal to 0. And that's the equation of a circle with these 3 points. So if you found this video useful, please add me on Facebook or Twitter, or subscribe to the YouTube channel where I upload bleeding cert maths videos for free.